Withdrawing money from your ESPN Plus account to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transaction. Step 1. Log into your ESPN Plus account. Visit the ESPN Plus website or open the ESPN app. Enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings or profile section. This is usually located in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select payment options. In the account settings, look for the payment or billing section. Here, you can view your payment methods and transaction history. Step 4. Initiate withdrawal. If ESPN Plus allows withdrawals, there should be an option to transfer funds to your bank account. Click on this option and follow the prompts to enter your bank details. Step 5. Confirm and complete the transaction. Review the withdrawal details and confirm the transaction. You may receive a confirmation email once the process is complete. Make sure to check your bank account for the funds after a few business days. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to ESPN Plus customer support for assistance.